really feels like you are helpless and that you have to depend solely on the mercies of the good Lord.
强风猛吹，路树东倒西歪，海水也是不断掀起，甚至整个淹到家门口，完全无法出门。
Salt sea is just spraying onto our houses. Winds are howling like we've never ever experienced before, and this is everything, including the kitchen sink that Hurricane Dorian has to throw at us.
五级飓风多利安侵袭加勒比海天堂度假胜地巴哈马，每小时风速近300公里，号称是今年地表最大飓风。风强雨骤，不止海水倒灌掀起，路树更是几乎就快拦腰折断。
We need help, please, someone please come help us.
更别说不少民宅屋顶失踪，车辆泡水翻渡，居民急找救难所避难。
This is probably the most saddened and worst day of my life to address the Bahamian people.
多利安的飓风眼相当扎实，直径横跨30公里，但移动速度非常缓慢，以每小时4公里速度朝美国方向前进。
That pause, however, may really help the Florida coastline because the longer it stays put, it allows the atmosphere around it to decide, hey, listen, I think I'm going to loosen my grip and slide to the east and allow that system to move to the north.
尽管现阶段看来多利安不会直扑佛州，但是美国政府不敢大意，从佛州到乔治亚州以及南北卡罗来纳州都进入全面戒备。川普也已坐镇联邦紧急事务管理署，提前做好灾情应变准备。三新闻黄崇威报道。